Today I am reviewing the NETGEAR Orbi 770 series. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever dealt with frustrating Wi-Fi dead zones, buffering videos, or a smart home ecosystem that constantly drops connection, you know how crucial a reliable home network is. Today, we are diving deep into a premium solution that promises to eliminate those headaches permanently. The NETGEAR Orbi 770 Series Tri-Band WiFi 7 Mesh Network System, specifically the RBE773 pack, which includes one main router and 2 satellite extenders. This is not just another minor router upgrade. This system represents a massive generational leap into the future of home connectivity, utilizing the brand new Wi-Fi 7 standard to deliver staggering speeds of up to 11 gigabits per second. Whether you are a hardcore gamer, a remote professional, or someone trying to manage a household overflowing with smart devices, this Orbi system is engineered to rewrite your expectations of what home internet can do. Let's start with the sheer scale of coverage. Out of the box, this 3-piece system blankets an astonishing 8,000 square feet. That means from your front porch to the deepest corners of your backyard, you can expect seamless, uninterrupted connectivity. The secret sauce here is the transition to Wi-Fi 7. If you are currently on Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6, the difference is night and day. Wi-Fi 7 delivers drastically faster speeds and significantly lower latency. Don't worry about your older gear. Either, the system is fully backward compatible, meaning your current phones, laptops, and smart TVs will connect flawlessly, while your newer Wi-Fi 7-ready devices will absolutely scream. NETGEAR has equipped the Orbi 770 with its signature tri-band technology, featuring an enhanced dedicated backhaul. In a typical mesh system, the extenders communicate with the router using the same bandwidth your devices use, which can choke your speeds. Orbi solves this by creating a private, ultra-fast highway strictly for communication between the router and satellites. This ensures that even if you have up to 100 devices connected simultaneously, your Wi-Fi stays incredibly fast and stable across every single one of them. Furthermore, the hardware is built for high-tier internet plans. It features a 2.5 gig internet port, allowing you to maximize the value of multi-gigabit fiber plans. You can stream in 8K, download massive gaming files, and host video conferences all at the exact same time without a single stutter. Beyond raw performance, NETGEAR has completely reimagined the aesthetics. The Orbi 770 features an elegant, slim new design that blends effortlessly into modern home decor. Hidden inside that sleek chassis are high-performance antennas engineered to provide exceptional 360-degree coverage, completely ignoring obstacles like thick walls or multi-story layouts. But speed means nothing without safety, and this is where NETGEAR really steps up. The system comes with robust, built-in security measures. It features automatic firmware updates to patch vulnerabilities immediately, alongside advanced router protection. This creates a powerful shield for your entire family, protecting sensitive personal data and securing vulnerable smart home gadgets from cyber threats right at the gateway. Final verdict: the NETGEAR Orbi 770 series is an absolute powerhouse. It is a premium investment, but one that effectively future-proofs your home for years to come. If you want maximum speed, bulletproof security, and a network that can handle a century of smart devices without breaking a sweat, the Orbi RBE773 is as good as it gets.